Today, we are going to create a chatbot right inside Pipedrive, which you can then place on your own website. It is really simple, it's already included as part of your license, and even your own grandma could easily handle it. Let's get started. Imagine you're a plumbing company and on your website you'd like to give visitors the opportunity to communicate with you, even on weekends or during the night. At the same time, the customer can, thanks to this chatbot, handle their own requests. Let's take a look at an example of what such a chatbot looks like. We have a chatbot here, and when you open it, it immediately asks what you'd like to do. Perhaps you need some urgent help. For example, a pipe is leaking somewhere, or you just want to browse our website, or maybe you're currently looking for a plumber. In the event that I'm searching for immediate assistance, the chatbot is able to directly instruct me on precisely how I can obtain that help, what actions I ought to undertake, specifically that I need to make a telephone call. But if I'm searching for a plumber and I really need plumbing services, I would simply click that I'm looking for a plumber. I then input my information. The chatbot will ask me for my name. It will even thank me. Then it will ask for my address. We'll provide an email address and of course also a telephone number. And now the chatbot will immediately offer me when the specific plumber can come to my place, so I can directly choose from the time slots that are available at noon or on Tuesday, March 31st, and I'll just receive a confirmation, and that the company will then dedicate themselves to my case, that a plumber will give me a call and we'll discuss what exactly I require. What does this look like for the plumbing company itself? Besides having their own website, they also use Pipedrive, and within Pipedrive, they now have a brand new deal that precisely matches what I filled out in the chat. So now the salesperson can simply make a phone call, confirm precisely what the customer is requesting, agree upon the final price, and the appointment is already scheduled, as you can see, for March 31st at 12 o'clock. This is something you can also have. Let's take a look at how you can set up your very own chatbot within Pipedrive. We will then proceed to the lead section. Within the LeadBooster feature, you have the option to add a chatbot here. This particular feature is made available automatically as a standard inclusion within our premium and ultimate versions. However, for those utilizing the Light and Grow versions, it is considered an additional paid service, meaning you will need to acquire it separately. Adding a chatbot is very simple. This is done using so-called playbooks, where you directly define the entire communication path with your website visitor. You click on the Add Playbook button, then you choose what kind of graphics you want, what colors you want, so that it corresponds, for example, to your company's brand colors. I'm not much of a designer type, so cheap, so I'll choose something very simple, like the green one. Then you'll write who the chatbot is. You can give it a name, you can give it a photo. You'll choose the language in which the chat primarily communicates, and then you simply select a template based on what you want to do. Afterwards, you can modify these templates. So we'll pick Get More Leads. Pipedrive has already predefined the entire customer journey for you right from the start. So at the very beginning, there's a greeting followed by a first question offering 3 distinct options. I'm looking for a plumber, I'm just browsing the website, or I need urgent assistance. Depending on what the visitor chooses, the journey then continues accordingly. If we take the case of finding that plumber, he will thank him and ask for his name. This is followed by a renewed thank you and the address where you need your service. It's also natural to ask for an email and phone number. If you need to add an item you want to inquire about within the chatbot, click the plus sign. You indicate that you are looking to acquire a particular piece of information. For example, your objective might be to ascertain the precise name of an organization, and once the chatbot has successfully identified and gathered this crucial information, it then proceeds to automatically input it directly into Pipedrive. This newly acquired data is subsequently recorded and classified as a fully qualified lead. You Pre-define whether you want to enter it into Pipedrive as a lead or a deal. You can also add a prefix. I've implemented the chatbot here, so I can identify it that this particular inquiry originated specifically through the chatbot. It will then be automatically placed into the initial stage of my sales pipeline and subsequently assigned to a designated individual, in this specific instance, the administrator. Or you can also choose that as the administrator, receive an email notification that a request has arrived specifically from the chatbot. A key feature is the ability to immediately schedule an appointment. If you noticed, the chatbot offered options from my calendar, letting you pick when the plumber is available. In this particular instance, you simply need to utilize the meeting scheduler function, which is integrated into Pipedrive, and you will discover it within the activities section where it is designated as meeting scheduler. There you will configure your preferred availability, specifying exactly when you wish to meet, and then seamlessly synchronize it with your personal calendar. At that very moment, you'll be fully capable of utilizing this convenient meeting scheduling function directly within the chatbot's interface. And finally, the process concludes with a comprehensive summary message, always including a sincere thank you. The middle option, meaning the visitor is simply browsing the page and doesn't require anything, is then designated as a disqualified lead, and it's clearly stated, no worries, feel free to continue browsing. So we won't be solving anything. For urgent help, you just add the info that they should ideally call a phone number. You can also add that you're available 24/7. Into those messages, you can add both text and you can also include a link or, for instance, an image. And again, this is a disqualified lead because when someone urgently requires assistance, they really should call you directly, not just leave some kind of inquiry or request. That's because a burst pipe on a Saturday night won't possibly wait until Monday morning for a response. So this is how we've successfully set up our chatbot. Now we need to integrate it onto our website page. How exactly do we go about doing that? You'll navigate to the installation section, and from there you can choose one of the available options, depending on the specific type of website you are currently using. Typically, it's sufficient to simply select the manual installation, then copy the provided script, and finally pass it directly into the code of your page. Pipedrive also allows you to check that the installation went smoothly. So once you insert the code into your page, you enter your website address and Pipedrive will check if everything is running as it should. When you're creating a chatbot, it's at Papo, it's possible to test it out immediately. On the bottom right, you can directly see the chatbot you have just created. You'll instantly find all the questions that you have already defined there. You can click through them and try out how your chatbot behaves. Always remember to save your work. Once you make any change within that chatbot and you already have it embedded on your website, it will immediately reflect on that site. There's no need to copy any code again to your web pages. Now you know how to create your own chatbot and integrate it into your website. Thanks to this, you can gather valuable leads, offer essential support, and truly assist your website visitors in locating precisely what they're looking for. They can find it any time of day or night, on weekends, literally whenever they need it. So give it a try and make the most of this powerful feature, especially since you already have it available within Pipedrive. Should you require assistance with a chatbot or anything else within the Pipedrive platform, we are here to provide our services to you. We can help you with implementation, setting up automations, managing integrations, or providing comprehensive Pipedrive training. For more detailed information, please visit our website at www.davame.com. You'll find the direct link conveniently located below in the description. And that's everything from my side.